Hello, Academic Technology is here. Today we are going to talk about popular markets where you repair your laptop when your laptop develop fault in Nigeria. In Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, there is Banex Plaza. In Lagos, there is Computer Village. In Anambra, there is GSM Village, Nnewi. There is Emekofo Plaza, Onitsha. In Delta State, there is Cowen Plaza. In Enugu State, there is popular Ogi Road. In Edo, Benin, there is Oba Market, Ring Road. In Ekiti State, there is Fayose Market. In Port Harcourt, Rivers, there is Garrison GSM Village. In Imo State, Owerri, there is World Bank Market. In Jos, there is Hamas Plaza, Terminus. In Aba, Abia State, there is St. Michael Road, popular St. Michael Road. In Kano State, there is Farm Center, GSM Village, Kano. These popular places, there are so many vendors that are repairing laptops there. Just get yourself to these popular places and you repair your laptop. Please remember to subscribe to our Academic Technology channel. Thank you.